Hey everyone, Xiaomi has expanded its budget-friendly TV lineup with the 2026 A Series and A Pro Series, targeting consumers looking for affordable 4K entertainment. The A Series comes in 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch, and 65-inch variants, while the A Pro Series adds a larger 75-inch option, catering to those who want a more immersive viewing experience without breaking the bank. The standard A Series models feature a 4K 60Hz panel with support for HDR10 and HLG, ensuring decent contrast and color reproduction for the price. Motion smoothing is handled by MEMC technology, which helps reduce blur in fast-paced scenes. However, the 43-inch model misses out on the Game Boost feature, which artificially enhances motion clarity to mimic a 120Hz refresh rate on larger screens. Filmmaker mode is a welcome addition, optimizing settings for a more cinematic experience by disabling unnecessary post-processing. The A Pro series steps up the visual performance with a QLED display, offering 94% DCI-P3 color coverage and HDR10+ support. This makes it a better choice for viewers who prioritize color accuracy and dynamic range, especially in gaming and high-quality video content. Despite the improved panel, both series remain limited to a native 60Hz refresh rate, though the Game Boost feature on the A Pro attempts to compensate by using MEMC for smoother motion in supported games. Xiaomi also highlights reduced input lag for console gaming, though exact figures remain undisclosed, leaving some uncertainty for competitive gamers. Connectivity is well covered across both series, with dual-band Wi-Fi, HDMI, eRKey or ALLM, USB 2.0, and Google TV integration for a seamless smart TV experience. Apple AirPlay support allows easy screen mirroring for iOS users, while the A Pro adds an optical audio port for external sound systems. Unfortunately, neither model supports Dolby Atmos, sticking instead to Dolby Audio, DTS-X, and DTS Virtual X through their dual 10-watt speakers, adequate for casual viewing but lacking depth for immersive audio. Voice control via Google Assistant, Chromecast, Miracast, and Bluetooth 5.0 round out the features, making these TVs versatile for streaming and smart home integration. Pricing details for the 2026 models are still under wraps, but if the 2025 series is any indication, the base 43-inch A series could start around €319, with the A Pro model slightly higher. Xiaomi's 2026 A Series and A Pro Series TVs are solid options for budget-conscious buyers seeking decent 4K performance with smart features. While they lack premium enhancements like high refresh rates or advanced audio, they deliver good value for everyday use, especially in gaming and streaming scenarios. Wider availability in Europe and Asia is expected first, with other regions likely to follow. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.